Single made versus multiple made mode inside SolidWorks. This is an assembly file, and let's make a few copies of this bar. Hold down the Ctrl and drag with the left click to create a few copies. They are not in one line up there. Now we can mate the top of these bars to make them in one line by simply left clicking there, going to mate and selecting the next bar's top and selecting coincident and accepting it. And the same thing with the rest of them, top of this bar, top of that bar, and coincident and OK. That's one way to do it. Close it and undo it, Ctrl Z. Another way to do it is here on the assembly page, click on mate, and currently here at mate selections we have just one field, but after I click on this button, multiple mate mode, now we have two fields, this one and that one. If I hover over it, it says common reference, and over this one it says component references. So click on the first one, and let's say I want these bars to be at the height of the first one, because that will be the common reference. Okay, notice the selection went from here to here, and now into this list, which is the component references, simply left click the next one, the third one, the fourth one, and the fifth one. And make it coincident if you want, and accept it. OK again. And now they are all here. Ctrl and scroll wheel to push it up.